Cleaning staff deserve a special kind of respect. Every day, they clean away the dirt and create order out of the chaos we cause. But even after cleaning, our workplaces and public areas remain contaminated with bad bugs. Today's health risks, like hospital-acquired or foodborne infections and antibiotic resistance, call for a different cleaning approach. One that not just eliminates dirt, but protects your health. That's why PolVita developed a new solution for the cleaning heroes. We call it PolVita. PolVita is a range of probiotic antipathogenic cleaners. They contain a huge amount of beneficial bacteria that considerably reduce the growth of many disease-causing microorganisms. While simply cleaning like you always do, the PolVita bacteria take up all the available surface space, so that harmful microorganisms just don't get a chance to spread. This makes surfaces healthier and lowers the exposure risk for human infection dramatically, making life safer for all. PolVita is ecological, non-toxic, produced in a 100% carbon-neutral way, and thus truly sustainable. PolVita's efficiency is scientifically proven by several universities and independent labs, and its technology is patented. With PolVita, your cleaning crew is well equipped to defend the world against disease-causing organisms, making the world safer and healthier. PolVita, redefining cleanliness to protect your health.